Hey, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss about water function. This is tutorial number 34. And in this video, we are going to discuss about water function, what they really do, and how we really implement them. We will discuss from the theory from to the implementation part and how we can improve the code step by step using functions. Let us start with the video, guys. Hey, Saurabh Party again, and we will discuss about how to use function in our code. Basically, we will discuss about how we are going to implement the function, what is the use of function, and what the syntax that we really need to follow. So basically, in function, what we do, we create a script, and that script is kept inside a function, and we can call this script anytime we are willing to call it. So if you suppose if you want to add two values, okay, and you don't want to write a script for that each and every time, you know how to add two values and give the output, but you don't want to write the script again and again. So you already know that you are going to use this sum function again and again. In this case, when you already know that you are going to use a sum function again and again, what you can do, you can create a function, and in this method, in this function, you can put that script and just call it with a variable. So whenever you call the name of the function, this whole script will be run and you will get the output. How this really get practically done and how we really initiate a function, we will discuss this in this video. Let us start with the video, guys. So here, if you want to define a function, you simply define with a keyword def, and this is for define. And you write the name of the function, whatever the name you want to write. You can notice that name turns to blue. That is the meaning that we are creating a function name. After this, you have to follow this with a parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, you just keep it blank for now, and you can write the body of the function. Now, for the body of the function, you can write anything. I'm writing print and say hello. Okay, a simple function will be there, and suppose I'm going to run this. Okay, what I will do, I will simply call the name. So when I call the name and follow it with a parenthesis and run this, you can see that I'm getting the output hello, because we are calling the print function hello. So this is how you really work with the function. Now, things you need to notice with the function: when you're writing the name, say I'm just writing the name, not using the parenthesis there, it will give you the memory location of it. So basically, it is giving you the function and its main, and basically not no, memory location, basically the main function that they're using. This is what really you get as an output. Then to overcome this, basically not to overcome but to get the actual value out of it, you just need to use parentheses like this. And this is how a function really works. Now, a function can be used for a number of ways and a number of reasons. The main reason I already told you, that when you are looking for a script to be run again and again, suppose you want to run hello. So as you can see, I'm writing here two or three lines. You want to print several lines. So say I'm going to print with this hi too. So let us print hi. I am in a function. Okay, now let us write completely, and I'm in a function. Now I'm going to run this, and when I run this, I can see by running a simple line name and the parenthesis, we're getting all the lines, all the output. This is not just for the print function. You can may think that you can simply write print function in a single line by using next line, but if you want to add a value, if you want to do some kind of manipulation to the value, you can do that too. Suppose you're finding a factorial, suppose you're finding a sum of the value, suppose you're trying to create a calculator itself, you can create different function for that. And each time when you want to add, subtract, or multiply a value, you can call a function and do the get the output of it. So this is how function really works. And point to be noted here is that you should keep a sensible name for the function. Try to keep the as much sensible name as possible. Maybe sometime I don't use the sensible name, but standards are we always use a sensible name. The name should indicate what this function is going to do. That is what we are looking for. So if anybody reads your code, you should be able to understand what you're trying to do here. Okay, that is all you need to know. There are few keywords more. There are other things are too, so I will cover that part in the next video. For this video, just try the creating the function like this and see what kind of output you're getting. Okay, let me know the output, guys. Good day. And in case, guys, if you're getting any error when you're running this, this could be because of the coolant. Mind the coolants for sure. If you're not putting the coolants, it will create the error. again, the second thing that you need to mind is the indentation that you are giving here. So this space is really important. So make sure you're giving the proper space and proper colon when you're defining a function. Okay, this is how you really write a function, and this is basically when the indentation declares the body of the function. Anything out of this is basically out of the body. So just telling you that if you're writing anything, say ABC, it is out of the body of the function. So basically when you run this, you will get ABC as printed here. When you call the name, you won't get ABC here. So this is what you need to bind here. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you.